Well, I finally picked up one of these dash covers for my Maverick. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box and see how it looks. This one is gray. So let's go ahead and open it up. I think I've bought one of these before for another vehicle that I owned at one point. Got an alcohol pad, the hook and loop backing for it, the cover itself. These are stupid easy to install. Really, the only thing you're going to have to do is just figure out the best place to put these hook and loop stickers on. So I'll meet you guys in the vehicle. So putting these in isn't too bad, like I was saying. Don't have anything up there. But all we're going to do is just kind of put it in place and see how it looks. Okay, so the trick I'm going to do with this is kind of get it here in the middle and then start it all the way at the end. This is where I'm at with it now. Unfortunately, I did remove all of this original backing because it just really wasn't all that good. So I had some of this stashed here at the house. So this is what I'm using. This 3M stuff is far superior to whatever they included with the cover. So that's what I'm using. I'm just kind of cutting it to size. I started with these up here first. I laid this whole thing out and basically just cut about a 2-inch strip for the front ones and then the ones right behind them, because all that extra space gave me a lot more to work with than just the little tiny ones I had to do with the original stuff that came with the cover. So all I'm doing now is just laying this thing out and pushing the Velcro down. There's one here too, as well as the two that are over here. So I think all in all, it's coming together pretty nice. I just have a few left to do over there and then we'll be done. And that's it. Came out pretty good. Little bit of rufflage up here, but it doesn't surprise me. There's no Velcro up here because the speakers are here. So unfortunately, you can't really get it tight back here. And all they had to do is just add another piece of Velcro. Even back here, could have made that work, but unfortunately they didn't. So on the edges, on the front here, this one and on the other side, it's kind of not as tight as it should be. I feel that they could have done something there, but other than that, I would say that as opposed to buying the aftermarket overseas knockoffs of these, this one's definitely worth the extra money. I've bought the cheaper ones before and the quality is just not really there. But I'm definitely happy with this one. And all in all, I'd probably give it about a 9 out of 10. Stay tuned for more videos.